Hey guys, what is up? So this is gonna be a quick video, I think, because I've already pretty much done the back of my hair, and I've already washed, and I've added leave-ins to the front of my hair. And the leave-ins that I added were the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and also the Diva Curl Be leave-in. See that? Okay, so those are the only leave-ins that I have on my hair. And in one of my videos, I was telling you guys how I did not like this product on its own, and we kind of talked about that I should use it with a gel. So that's what I'm doing. Oh no, my lights are super bright, but this is the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, and this product is like $22, so it is not cheap. And I'm gonna be using it with the Xtreme, the Wetline Extreme Gel. There. So I've already done the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the front. So it looks like in the shower, it looked like these products meshed really well together. Because like I said, the back is already done. I'm just going to do the front. I'm just going to half in this section. Go in with my Pillow Soft Curls. It is a cream, y'all, and it smells like fabric softener. I mean, it smells so good. That's the only reason I really wanted this product. It just smells so good, but it's supposed to be a styler where you could actually just use this product on its own. If I had like thinner hair, I think this product would work well for me, but because my hair is so dense, it's not gonna work. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the gel. Just take a little bit of gel. And you wanna just smooth this all throughout your hair, throughout this section. Honestly, I haven't even seen the Wetline not mesh well with anything. Like, I feel like it meshes with a lot of different products, which is something I really like. And my Eco Styler gel, I used it all. The cannabis one, I used it all. So that's why the Wetline's getting all this shine. But the Wetline's still great though. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. Actually, I'm gonna section this off too because it's a thick section. Without stylers, with my stylers. So I have to put product on my hair that's gonna like weigh it down. These products doesn't weigh it down, but the gel does. So that's why I like this gel, because it definitely gives me the stretch I'm looking for. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. Take it down in a minute. I kind of like when I twist everything up like this and let it sit like this. I feel like the gel just does its thing, you know, just like meshes in with everything. Kombucha. This is the Kavita kombucha, pineapple peach. Oh my god, it's so good. Yum yum. It's so cute. It has a heart. How cute. Okay. Let's see how our wash and go is looking. Whoop. came through dripping. The drip. Okay. 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 It seems like the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curl softened up the Xtreme gel, which I'm not mad at. I'm not mad at all. Okay. Let me show you guys a 360. Ooh, yo. I put some makeup under my eyes. Well, I did a makeup look, and I've been trying to get my eyes from looking like raccoon eyes for the past like day or so. So bear with me. I'm still trying. But I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer and then probably dry my roots, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Somebody who loves me naked, someone who never asks for love but knows how to take it. Okay, y'all, so this is the next day. I woke up, I took it out of my bunny. I took it out of the scarf, shake, 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 and then I just kind of went through and did some fluffing like this. And I like it. I actually really like it. Let me give you guys a 360. It looks so good, and guess what, y'all? I didn't stretch my hair at all. I don't know. I think it was more the Xtreme gel that allowed me to not have to stretch my hair, but I did not have to, like, stretch out my roots or anything. I sat under the dryer for, like, an hour, and then I just kind of blow dried the ends, because now that when I get under the dryer, it doesn't dry my ends, so now I have to finesse, okay? We're going to talk about this product, because you guys know Xtreme gel is bomb.com. This combo is really nice. So, who should buy this product to go with this gel? Okay, this is a $22 product. So, should you go buy this $22 product just to have this wash and go? No. 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 If you already have this product, should you use it with the Xtreme gel? Yes. Yes, you should. If this was on sale for like $10, should you purchase it to do this combo? Yes. Yes, you should. I think you should do that. Because this, if you use Eco Style Gel, you know sometimes just is too crunchy. Like, just sometimes it could be a little too crunchy on the first day. And sometimes you just want that fluffy hair or whatever. Y'all, this gives you soft curls. So it's like counteracting it, but not allowing you to lose your definition. And the hold is still here. But as you can see, my hair is a lot fluffier than when I did the other Eco Styler. I did it. When I did my other Xtreme gel review. So, oh my God, y'all. Is my fucking background crooked? I am so sorry. If you have like bad anxiety, or if it just bothered you, I'm so sorry. But it's on this like... That's better. And I'm done talking. Yeah, if you feel like you want that extra softness to add to your wash and go, sometimes when you feel like this is just too crunchy of a gel, I think this counteracts crunchy gels pretty well. So, what do you think? Like, I like this. I want to find more products like this that's going to, like, soften the crunchiness of my gels, because if you team me, crunchy gel girl, then you know we like our crunch, but like sometimes it can be a little bit too much. We don't like to admit it, but sometimes it can be a little bit too much. Pillow Soft Curls. Yes. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried this combo before, or if you want to try it now, or if you have this product and you like, I might as well try it, or if you're waiting for Black Friday deals like your girl, okay? I'll see you guys on Monday. What I got coming up Monday? I don't even know yet, but it'll be a surprise to both of us, but I'll see you there. I will see you there. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Oh, and if you guys like my new intro, please just like this video. And that's going to prompt me to give you guys all the details on my filming equipment and all that good stuff. I just want to show you guys. Let's fill you in on this awesomeness that we trying to grow over here. So, yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, Sky. Well, some of you guys know already. Come on, boo boo. Come in. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. I got a doggy. And her name is Sky. Say hi, Sky. She's a Shih Tzu. And I need to wipe her tears. You guys see? They cry a lot. Like, I have to wipe her face every day. But I just love her so much. And she's so cuddly. That's all she wants to do is cuddle, as you can see. Like, she's not going to do anything to me. Like, watch. Watch this, y'all. I flip her over. And this be her right here. This it. Like, yeah. Like, I can do whatever. She's not gonna like scramble or anything. This is what she likes. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.